Hello everyone, so here's 1 second everyday app. So let's just start first project. It instantly asks you to upgrade to OneStep Pro. It's like $49.99 per year, but let's just continue without subscription. Then I can just continue and create my account with Apple ID. You can use your email or Google, and then that's your. Then you just can sign up your birthday. You can just create your account. And then you can set up reminders to do that every day. You can connect your library. Uh, okay, so let's just do that if they want. So ask that. Okay, let's give access to this app. You can free backup just for one C account. And here is the app. Then you can just welcome to 1C, and then you can allow access to a camera and microphone. You can allow to use location, and then you can just do something like that. Hello 1C app, and then there you can select your my snippet. Yeah, I want to select it, but I also want to rotate it like that. I can trim it. Probably it should only be like 1 second. And then there it is. I just do it. And this is my first journal. So my second, I can rename project. I can delete it. And then, yeah. So you can also enable different project creation modes. You can see your account. Um, then you can just, yeah, so that's interesting, super interesting app just to record these videos every day. And then you can have like, imagine in the end of the year, you will have like 365 1 second videos, which can be super fun um, and super unique. And then I think you can do this one project for free, so you don't need to pay. If you want to have multiple projects for multiple ideas, then probably you will need to pay for that. But yeah, that's basically the idea of the app. Hope that is helpful. Definitely give a try to this app.